walk down the one way, he not about the gunplay. We on this top just like a Sunday, spit the block on Monday. Got the drop from a goofy, thick little bitch.
YouTube, it's your boy STJ, man. Back with another video, back with another POV, man. And right now, I don't know what this is in front of me. I don't know if it's a SRT or RT or V6 or what it is, but we finna make him cut up, man. We finna make him cut up. I don't know. Yeah, come on. Let's do the damn thing. I don't think he about it, y'all. I think we finna run into traffic. Oh, he pushing it. He ain't about it, y'all. Oh, he is running into traffic, so. Man, I ain't posted in a while, y'all. I'm so sorry about that, man. I am about to be posting a lot more. I did make a new YouTube channel, so the link of that channel will be in the description. So please go subscribe, man. Support me, man. I am suspended on this channel for the next 2-3 months, I believe, for its monetization, but I don't really care too much about that. So let's get another channel running. There's gonna be more lit vlogs and pranks and stuff like that on that channel. So y'all go tune into that channel, man. Let's see if we can get in and out this traffic, though. Oh, we got the Audi cutting up too. The Audi ain't about it though. That motherfucker slow. Oh, he's smart. Oh, he's smart. If you know, you know. This put you back on the highway. It's a if you know type of situation. Oh, he got that motherfucker though, y'all. Definitely pushing that hoe. I'm gonna let him have it. I'm gonna let him have it, y'all. I'm gonna let him have it, y'all. I'm gonna let him have it. If y'all know these Mopars, they do not take corners real good, man. They do not take corners good at all. And I don't know if that's 12 behind me or what, but we straight. But these cars do not take corners well at all, so I'm not even gonna try it. I'm not even gonna try it. I think it's a 392 though. I definitely think it's a 392 because I was on his bumper, but he pushing that motherfucker, y'all. Definitely pushing it. But just like that, man, we just caught back up with him, so let's see if he's still trying to cut up. Hey, comment below, y'all, if y'all think I should do a burble tune on the SRT, man. I've been thinking about it. A bunch of people here where I live at got it here in Mexico. Got the burble tune on they Chargers and Challengers, so kind of debating on it if I want to do it or not. It doesn't really benefit you performance wise, but it does sound cool. You know, I don't really drive this car as much, so when I do get in this car, it just be loud as hell. Right now we still quiet, stock is also on everything, because I've been debating if I want to sell this car and get a new one. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead, cut the pipes up, man, get some content for y'all for sure, because I know y'all want to see the content, so might just go ahead and have to do that for y'all. But I still want to sell this car, so I don't think I'm gonna put headers on it. I don't think I'm gonna cut the cats on it, even though I really want to. But I want to sell this car soon for something either different or faster. So we shall see. The Jeep is for sale. If any of y'all want to buy it, $25,000 for that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Got 90K miles on it, so with the 5.7 in it. But we are running into traffic. Hold on. We could cut up and get out of this traffic. No, I ain't gonna cap it to you, but don't want to risk nothing. Y'all, I would put my GoPro on, but I just seen him cutting up in traffic, so I was like, I'm gonna just pick up the phone. My GoPro, the mount piece is broke, so I need to get a new mount piece for that, which I will get that probably tomorrow, so we can get some POV videos for y'all. I'm gonna do a cutting up in traffic video for y'all, with a female in a car to get her reaction. It do like there's an accident up here, y'all, so I'm probably gonna put y'all back down because we about to be stuck in traffic. Pick y'all back up in a minute, YouTube. As y'all can see, man, shorty done wreck that motherfucker. I don't know how she done did that, but the Mexico Fire Department and ambulance are coming to save her, so she should be okay. She should be okay. She was probably bumping that sexy red. Got too lit, got too turned. Went off the road. Hope she okay though, y'all. Get away from this lady. I'm all up in her lane. He ain't trying to cut up no more though, y'all. So I think I'm gonna leave him alone. But comment below, man, what kind of videos y'all want to see on this channel. I know I haven't posted. Like I just told y'all, I did make a new channel. I haven't been posting because I just like been busy, really busy. And in the midst of me being really busy, I got copyrighted basically like for reused content on this channel, for basically using the content that I post on Instagram. Basically is what they told me. So I won't be monetized on this channel, but it is what it is. That's not gonna stop me from posting. We are close to 10K, so let's get to 10K, y'all. Let's get to 10K before August. That's really the goal. 10K before August is really my goal, man. My birthday in August. I was hoping to get a new car in August, but it is what it is. Probably won't be getting it in August, but a new car should be coming soon this year. I haven't even had this car for 12 months. I hadn't even had the Jeep for 12 months, so I guess maybe I'm rushing to get a new car. But the reason why I'm rushing is because there will be no more Mopars being made. So kind of was trying to get one of those last call motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying, or some type of cat, preferably that red eye motherfucker. I don't know what that is, but he was just definitely just on that motherfucker. Like, it got Brembo, so he is D-badged. It's definitely a 392, y'all, or a cat. I just don't know. I think it's it's a Scat. It's definitely a Scat. I can tell by the hood. Definitely a Scat. He was definitely just pushing that motherfucker. W-mans though. Looks like he's getting off, but I'm not going that way, buddy. Hey, I'm going straight. Oh, he's going straight too. Y'all think you want to race me? Y'all think I can get a race in with him? What y'all think? Fuck it, I'm finna race him, y'all. See if I can get him to race. Watch how I'm finna do this. Can y'all see him? I'm finna see if I can get him to race while he following me. There's too many cars in front of us though. As y'all see, we is crossing the El Paso Bridge right now in Mexico. Damn. Big ass truck in the way. I want to race. I am not a racer though, y'all. I do not race. Even if I had that cat trip motherfucker, you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't even race, but that motherfucker fast. So I probably would. Maybe one day. Bro, he on my bumper. Why is he following me? slow ass car. I'm gonna bully this guy out the way. He in my way. He need to move. Move that motherfucker. Move that motherfucker. He ain't trying to move it. He trying to cut up. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. We gonna cut up then. He trying to go stupid. He trying to go stupid for y'all. What are you on? Get back over. Get back over, gang. Should've got back over, gang. Yes, I got back over, gang. I tried to let you. And now you're in my way, buddy. He just tried to go stupid. What are you on? That motherfucker fast, though. I don't think he stopped. I wasn't trying to get in front of him, though, because I'm trying to see where he's going. I don't know if I want to get off the highway and try to do that to him, or if I want to stay on the highway and leave him alone. I want to race, though. You got me intrigued on if you're fast or not. Let's see what you about to do. I'm about to get off. So I'm finna see if he finna get off too, y'all. Shit, I might have to chop it up with him. Might just have to chop it up with him. Come on, dog. Shit, he ain't follow me no more, y'all. I was gonna chop it up with him, though. But never mind. Alright, YouTube, man, that's probably finna end the video. I'm gonna pick y'all back up if I run into something else fast on the highway or something. I thought he was trying to chop it up, though, because he probably not from this side, but pick up the camera in a minute.
I was 19 years old with 400,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. Is she really in the class to win? Spent $2 million on my mom alone. Oh, she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.